Okay, so as you all know, everybody has become a TikTok refugee, even though TikTok has not officially been banned in America, but people are shifting from TikTok to something else. And so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how to sign up, download and sign up on RedNote. So what you want to do is go to App Store, sorry, or Play Store, and search for RedNote. Here we are. And once you've done that, you want to tap on RedNote, open RedNote, and here we are. I've already signed up, but I'm going to sign out. I mean log out, so that I can show you uh, how to sign up on this uh, app. I'm going to log out here. So log out. Yep, confirm log out. So here we are. Now there are several ways. So when you download the app, this is what you see on your screen, right? And right here you have the option. The first option is WeChat. So if you have a WeChat um, account already, you can sign up with that. If not, you just go to other login methods and tap on that. And once you tap on that, you see there's Facebook, there's Google, there's phone number. So if you're using phone number, you can tap on there. And once you're here, what you see is you're supposed to enter your phone number, and right here you want to change your country code, and because these countries are not written, they are written in Chinese. Okay. So what you want to do right now is go and type. First, say for example, I want to tap, search for Nigeria, for example. Uh, there's no way, it won't work. Let's say America. It's not going to work this way. But if I say one, then you can see +1 right there. That is for the US. So for example, you can tap on that and then enter your US number. For us, we are going to do Nigeria. So we're, uh, search will be 234. You don't need to add the plus. So here we are. Tap on there and let's enter the phone number right there. We say, oh, this one. So enter your phone number, so for example, something like this, and then they will send you a code. But for us, I prefer to use email. So I'm going to tap on Google icon right there, and this pops up. And what I want to do is log in using my email. So, okay, log in with one of my emails. So I'm going to just do this, for example. So I'm going to select my email and I will continue as this. And as you can see, it has logged me in. So it has signed me up. So what I need to do here is select my gender. As you can see, there are just two gender, male and female. Tap on that and go to, you have to swipe to your age. So, for example, you could say you are uh, 37 years, and then select your interest. For us, we can do vlog, photography, maybe mobile photography, something like that. So, just go ahead and select your interest. And for us, we do all of this and knowledge. I mean, these are all that there is for now. So just do that and movies and then start exploring. And then here, this is not necessary. You mustn't follow accounts. Okay. So, but you have these accounts here to follow. Click next. And voila, here you are. You are signed up on you have become a refugee, a TikTok refugee on RedNote. Mind you, RedNote works just like TikTok and every other social media app. Of course, it's for the Chinese. So, for the fact that Americans are jumping on here, it's one thing. So now, let's go ahead. As you can see, most of the stuffs are written in Chinese. Let me show you how to change your language. So let me show you how to change your language from uh, Chinese to English on RedNote. So uh, tap me right there, which is the last icon on the right. So what you want to do is tap on this gear right here. Okay, after your profile, tap it right there, and then you want to tap on general and then language, and you can see it's on English. So if you want these two language here, which are Chinese, you can do that, but you can just tap on there and change your language to English. That is if it's not already uh, set by default. Okay, yeah, that's all that there is. We are going to change our profile here, maybe upload a profile picture. So there's a few settings that you need to do. Add a biography, uh so for example, but before we even add a biography, there are things that we're required to do. For example, we need to okay, change our username here. We say money zone save. Okay, so we change our ID to our username save. You can see our user ID right now is money zone, and choose your date of birth. So we can just do anyone right here. We say let's say this and this and this right here, and save. And okay, so do you want your age to be shown? No. Show constellation, show date. We don't want our dates to show. But make sure you set that. Our job, make sure you add your job. Now, one thing I don't understand is how, I mean, why they don't have, of course it's a Chinese app, maybe they will work on that, but here you are, just choose. I'm just going to choose anyone, and I'm going to just say save. You can always change that. You can say display my job, and you can add as many job as you want. So for example, we can add this to there. um Here, so here are jobs, and then location. We can say uh, we are, maybe if you're from America, you can say you are an American, United States. For example, you can say you are from United States. And what state are you from? You can say you're from, let's say, maybe New York, something like that. I'll go back. So you can see our country is showing there. Our education, we can say now the education, same thing. The education is written in Chinese, so there's no uh, other universities. I mean, universities in America, for example. So I'm just going to do local, for example, or UAC also. No, UCA, which will bring out. Okay, let's just do anyone here. Uh, this one, and then year of enrollment, we can say 2025, or let's just go back and say 2002, and you can decide to show your education and save that. Aha, background image. That is not for now. You cannot do that. Uh, Here you can we are not allowed to do that for now, because somehow you need to what I know is that you have to have some followers and all of that first before you can say, okay, say post. So, and I can come here and say I'm posting, let's say this one, post, and I can say money. Okay, and then save. I mean, post. So now, when you want to post, they ask you to, enter a phone number to verify. So that's what we're gonna do. I will say 234. Okay, enter that, and now we'll say there is this. Enter a phone number and just do that. Okay, accept the terms. Get code. Now, okay. So for some reasons, I don't know why. Maybe it's network, or maybe because you have so many people using it. Uh, this is not. The code, the phone number is not working, but you get the idea. So you verify your phone number before you can post. That is mandatory, but you have that. So yeah, that's how you go about it on RedNote. Thank you guys for watching, and see you next time in another video. Bye bye.